ICAD meeting, I gave some advices to her. Sabi ko, ma'am, i-ensure nyo you meet the 4 clusters of ICAD, which is the law enforcement, the justice, the advocacy, and the reformation and reintegration clusters. So that you will know exactly the whole picture and so that you will understand the drug situation dito sa ating bansa. Unfortunately, he just met 1 cluster, and that is the law enforcement cluster. She failed to meet the 3. And instead of meeting the 3, the remaining 3 clusters, she started to meet in foreign groups. So doon nagkaroon ng problema. Kaya nga nagkaroon ng misunderstanding or misinformation ng ating President and ating Vice President when she said the drugs are coming mainly in China, from China.